Is ransomware driving up Bitcoin prices? Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Show. Today's show is from a post by Martin Young at Bitcoinism, brought to you by BitBlockBoom. Take a look at this great Bitcoin conference. It's coming to Dallas, Texas at BitBlockBoom.com, of course. I hope I get to meet you in Dallas for the event's third year. Schools, hospitals, and businesses are increasingly falling victim to ransomware attacks. According to a report by Malwarebytes, there's been a 363% year-over-year increase in ransomware attacks during the first half of 2019. The attackers use malware to encrypt files on the victim's computer. A small ransom is then demanded to decrypt the files, and cryptocurrency is the payment method of choice. Further research by cybersecurity company emcee claims that the average ransom increased by 89% to just over $12,000 in the first quarter, and that Bitcoin was used in 98% of all ransom payments, and that 96% of the companies that did pay the ransom did receive a working decryption tool. There is a possibility that those paying the ransoms are actually pushing up Bitcoin demand and consequently its price. It's been suggested that the 2017 WannaCry attack, which affected more than 300,000 computers across the globe, had an impact on Bitcoin prices at the time. emcee spokesman Brett Calloway added that there appears to be a correlation between high-profile ransomware incidents and Bitcoin prices. Cybersecurity professor Alan Woodward added that ransomware may be part of it, but the price of Bitcoin is so volatile and has such a dynamic range, it could be several factors. And one of those factors could be that some companies are expecting a ransomware attack and may have bought Bitcoin in preparation for it. Calloway continued that they know a considerable number of companies hoard Bitcoin just in case they're hit with ransomware and need to pay a demand. It would seem to make sense that the bigger the demands become and the more high-profile cases there are, the more companies that will start to buy Bitcoin. It is suspected that's what's driving up the increase in prices rather than the actual ransom demands themselves. So the U.S. currently, we get our lion's share of attacks with 53% of them according to reports. And now that cyber criminals are switching to high-profile targets, more companies could start buying up Bitcoin, which would affect its price. So, do you think that ransomware could be affecting Bitcoin's price? Share your thoughts in the comments as always, and remember to subscribe at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode of this show every weekday. And don't forget to take a look at BitBlockBoom for the Great Bitcoin Conference in Dallas, Texas. I'm GaryLeland, the Crypto Podcaster, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Crypto Show. This has been a CryptoPodcaster.com production.